In this episode, Seth eats a burger, Joey fishes trash out of a lake, and I tune a guitar. Booyakasha! I'm here with my main man, Joey Pitts, and my main man, Seth Foster. They're going to show me the LBJ Grasslands. Lyndon Baines Johnson. Baines? Is his middle name?
You're close.
Lyndon Byron Johnson. Bird. No. We'll see how it goes. Get in. LBJ Grasslands, just north of Decatur, Texas, the gem of Wise County, public lands. Once again, we are in my 2019 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. It's a lovely November day. We've got temperatures ranging from the high 40s to the low 70s today. A beautiful day in Texas. Whoa. Hard stop. I've got Joey Pitts in front of me in his Range Rover Classic. I believe it's a 95. And Seth Foster behind me in his FJ Cruiser. And they're going to show me a few places that they know about around here that would be pretty cool to paint. And we'll find a spot for us to do a little bit of landscape impressionism. What did you just pull out of the lake?
Well, obviously a time traveling device.
The LBJ National Grasslands, also known as the Caddo Grasslands, covers nearly 18,000 acres here in North Texas. Utilizing several homestead acts starting in the 1800s to keep the lands public, the LBJ Grasslands feature 75 miles of equestrian trails as well as camping and fishing. It's about lunchtime here in Texas. So we're going to go over to a little place called Greenwood Grocery.
That's what it is. Yeah.
As the small town of Greenwood grew in the 1870s, it bolstered 2 saloons, 4 grocery stores, a bank, a newspaper, a hotel, 2 drugstores, a barbershop, blacksmith shop, cotton gin, and even a co-ed college. These days, however, Greenwood has a population around 30. But that doesn't stop folks from driving far and wide to get to Greenwood Grocery to have a burger and some catfish and sit down and enjoy the old-timey feeling that they get when they step inside.
This is where you went to school? Here we have male and female. Both of them. All in one place.
Okay guys, I found a chill little spot. I'm gonna set up right in this tall grass and I'm gonna hit this right behind me, this right here. Shall we get into it? I got what I believe is the perfect scene for the grasslands because I've got some cedar trees, actual grass field swooping up into a little plateau, and then you've got a little shoot through angle to where you can see off in the distance about maybe a mile. And actually While I'm finishing up here, I would like to give a huge thank you to Joey Pitts and Seth Foster for showing me around the grasslands today, and I look forward to many more adventures with them two fellers. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call this one done. Until next time, every time.